Puzzles like these help to develop spatial thinking. After playing around with it for a while, put it away and attempt to picture it in your mind. Imagine it from different angles and also three-dimensionally. Also think in stages, one step at a time. Reach the first stage and go back and repeat before going on to the next step. This way you gain an understanding of what you are trying to achieve and not just learning by rote, which you soon will forget. Have fun, have patience, and breathe. Thanks for watching.